To change your Aura Frame's Wi-Fi network, you'll need two essential requirements: the Aura Frame's app and physical access to your frame. First, ensure you have the Aura Frame's app installed on your iOS or Android device. For security reasons, you must be physically present with the frame. Remote Wi-Fi changes are not permitted. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process. Open the Aura app and select your frame from the list. Next, navigate to Frame Settings by tapping the gear icon. This will open the configuration menu for your frame. In the Settings menu, find and tap on your current Wi-Fi network name. Then select Change Wi-Fi Network to begin the switching process. The app will disconnect from the current network and prompt you to select a new one. Choose your desired 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive. Then tap Save or Join to confirm the connection and complete the process. If the standard method doesn't work, you can alternatively set up the frame as a new device within the app. This won't remove your existing photos or contributors, but will establish a fresh connection. When your Aura frame isn't connecting, the first thing to check is that your smartphone has Bluetooth enabled. This is essential for the initial setup process. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check your entry. A common mistake is mixing up uppercase and lowercase letters when entering your Wi-Fi password. The frame needs to be within reasonable distance of your Wi-Fi router for a stable connection. If you're still having issues, try rebooting both the frame and your router. Most Aura frames require a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. While 2.4 GHz networks have longer range, they can be slower and more prone to interference than 5 GHz networks. For captive portal networks like those in hotels or public places, you may need an iOS device to complete the connection process. These networks require additional authentication steps. If you continue to experience connection problems, consult Aura's official troubleshooting resources or contact their support team for additional assistance.